kindness in the world, it has to be tapped the right way. मैंने एक्सपीरियंस किया पिछले 3 हफ्तों में एंड it was surreal, it was unbelievable. So मैं बहुत ग्रेटफुल हूँ कि सोशल मीडिया पर इतना प्यार, इतना सपोर्ट मिलता है सबसे.
राइट एंड आपने कहा कि फैंस के बारे में आपने कहा कि दैट यू हैंडल द सोशल मीडिया योरसेल्फ एंड द एंगेजमेंट इज वंडरफुल. फिर उसमें अब ये है कि अब मिथुन साहब के भी फैंस उसमें मिल गए हैं तो वो एक जब आई थिंक एक तरीके का कॉन्फ्लुएंस है वो और ज़्यादा he has a tremendous fan following as well, which is wonderful.
Yes.
तो वो किस तरीके से आप देखते हैं ये जो एक संगम जो हुआ है?
मुझे लगता है कि जो ये संगम है हम आपस में भी ये बात करते रहते हैं कि हम दोनों का एक साथ आना ये कोई मामूली बात नहीं है. ये बहुत बड़े बड़े भलाई के कामों के लिए हम साथ आए हैं और वी ऑलरेडी आर वॉकिंग ऑन दैट पाथ विद अ विजन to bring a difference in the world, and I think those synergies जब साथ में मिलते हैं you become even more powerful, and that is what we have been experiencing.
So the conversation that we had last time around and जो एक मुझे लगता है कि किसी के लिए भी जो सबसे precious gift अगर वो है वो ये है कि that if you can possibly get respect.
Yes.
And genuine respect, and the way he talked about you was and your family was truly wonderful. So how much of a blessing is this for you that you have someone who truly respects your craft, you as a person, and the family?
So I've always felt like I've always been surrounded with blessings in different forms, but I would tell you honestly, Faridunji, that he is the biggest blessing in my life. He brought so much more happiness, joy, peace, growth to my life. He's such a wonderful person. Often when people talk about our union, they focus on the musical as two people from the same field coming together, but it's beyond that. I feel that the kind of person he is, I think I'm, no offense to other people, but I'm married to the greatest man on the earth. He's amazing. Yeah.
So I think these are beautiful headlines as well, and truly well deserving as well. I think जिस तरीके से उन्होंने कहा कि that मैं इसमें सफर के लिए हूँ, destination के लिए, I think that's so poetic because people underrate the journey.
Yes.
People are so obsessed with the goals and मंजिल बहुत बार जो है जैसे इम्तियाज अली की भी फिल्मों में है और भी the journey has to be beautiful, then I think the destination will be fruitful anyways, but
yes.
If you can enjoy the journey, nothing like it whatsoever.
Correct. And I feel destination may not be in our control, but the journey is.
Absolutely. Very well said. Very well.